Click on the link below to get price. The Honda EU7000ISANC is a powerful and reliable portable inverter generator that stands out in the market for its exceptional performance and user-friendly features. With a robust output of 7,000 watts, it is ideal for both home backup during outages and outdoor activities like camping or tailgating. One of the most impressive aspects of the EU7000ISANC is its electric start feature, making it incredibly convenient to operate. A simple push of a button fires it up effortlessly, eliminating the hassle often associated with traditional pull start generators. This is particularly beneficial for those who may struggle with manual starting, such as older users or individuals with mobility concerns. The generator is designed with Honda's advanced inverter technology, providing clean and stable power that is safe for sensitive electronics, including laptops, smartphones, and other devices. The THD, total harmonic distortion, level is remarkably low, ensuring that all your gadgets operate smoothly without risk of damage. Another commendable feature is its fuel efficiency. The EU7000ISANC can run for up to 18 hours on a single tank of gas, depending on the load, which means fewer trips to refuel and more peace of mind during extended power outages. Additionally, it operates at a remarkably low noise level, producing only 58 dBA at rated load, making it suitable for residential use without disturbing the neighbors. Portability is also a strong point, as the generator is relatively lightweight for its power class and features built-in wheels and a handle, allowing for easy transportation. While it's not the cheapest option on the market, its reliability, efficiency, and Honda's reputation for quality make it a worthwhile investment. In summary, the Honda EU7000ISANC is an outstanding portable inverter generator that combines power, convenience, and quiet operation. Whether for home use or recreational activities, it delivers on all fronts, ensuring you have the energy you need when you need it most.